Rubik's cubes! Everybody knows what they are. Everybody has seen them in like movies, TV films, series, YouTube videos. But I'm going to tell you why you guys should start speedcubing now. So I'm assuming that you're clicking on this video and you already know how to do beginner's method. So why should you speedcube? That's a main question. Well, there are multiple reasons why you should speedcube, but the main ones are these 3 reasons. So the first reason is that it just relaxes your brain. It's just really fun. That's the first reason. Second reason is that you get to, if you become really good, you don't even have to be really good, but if you do get into speedcubing and you get average times of around 20 seconds, then you can go to competitions feeling very confident, and you can meet people from all around the world who speedcube just like you, and they have learned Rubik's cubes just like you, and really get to have a whole new experience of using a Rubik's cube. And lastly, you can enter competitions and have tons of fun, and it's a great thing which you can do with all of your family, and with your friends. You can go to competitions, you can earn money. It's a really vast area to be in. So I really recommend you get into speedcubing. Even if you don't want to become a competitive speedcuber, it's still a great thing to do because it's really just a fun pastime, and if you want to take it seriously, then go ahead, take it seriously. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. Hope you liked the video, and I hope you enjoy your speedcubing journey.